you considering taking a gap year but unsure if it's the right decision? Then you're at the right place. Continue watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be exploring the ins and outs of taking a gap year and helping you make an informed decision. In today's video, we'll be covering 4 things. First, what is a gap year? Second, the pros and cons of a gap year. Third, how do you depict it in your college essays? And fourth, what should you be doing in this gap year? Before we move ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our study abroad updates. Alright, let's get into it. Let's start by understanding what a gap year is. A gap year is basically a year taking off after high school or before starting college. And during the gap year, students take this time off to understand their personal interest or prepare for college applications, or even volunteer, gain work experience, or simply travel. Now let's weigh the pros and cons of taking a gap year. On the pro side, a gap year allows a student to gain valuable life experiences, develop new skills, and explore their personal interests. Also, it is a great way to take time off from the academic stress that you must have gone through during the last few months of high school. And it can also help you gain clarity about what you want to do in the future, giving you enough time to make a very informed decision about your career goals. Let's understand this with an example. Let's take a student Rowan who was confused about his interest in the marketing field. So he took a gap year and interned as a social media strategist in a startup, where he crafted engaging social media content, analyzed metrics, and learned about digital marketing strategies. In addition to this internship, he also attended various marketing workshops and built his personal brand by blogging and creating video content on his own channel on different social media platforms. These experiences gave him clarity to pursue marketing as a field professionally and academically. Now the cons. Taking a gap year may delay your career and academic goals. And you might also lose momentum since you'll be out of the academic environment. And sometimes it might affect your mental health as well, because you would be seeing your peers progressing while you will be taking a year off. But don't worry about it, because this is a time that you've taken off to explore what you really want and how you can make the best of your future. Now let's say you've taken the year off and now you're wondering, how do I show it in my essays and to the college admission committee? So here's what you can do. When writing about your gap year, focus on the experiences and the lessons learned. Highlight any skills you've gained, any personal growth that you've experienced, and how this gap year has helped shape your aspirations and life goals. Now the most important question, what should you exactly be doing in this gap year? Now there are countless things that you can do, but choose what aligns with your aspirations and goals. And also focus on things that will help you grow personally and professionally, that will help you kickstart your career. You can intern, volunteer, work, travel, meet new people, or even pursue a passion project. In conclusion, taking a gap year or not is your decision. But always remember that if you need to take time off to get more clarity about your aspirations and goals, you might as well take that gap year. Do consider the pros and cons and make the most of this year by seizing the opportunity and learning as much as you can. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and drop a comment, or even share it with a friend who may need it. And for more such content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.